Hedgehog's Homestead. Today I'm going to be putting some T-posts around my willow tree right here and my fruit trees, and then I'm going to be putting some of this plastic fencing around that to keep the deer off of my tree. They like to eat when it gets cold during the winter, they'll like to eat the green or the young bark off the tree. So we want to do that to protect our tree and also protect it from the wind and the storms that come here during the summer and the fall and the winter and the spring and every time of the year. It gets really windy sometimes. So we want to make sure that thing's standing up straight and tall, which right now it's a little crooked. So we need to get these T-posts in the ground so we can make this thing nice and healthy and strong. So I'm going to get to it. There we go. Come on, stay here, Bubba. I have some wood chips here as well. So I'm going to put around the base of the tree so it's nicely mulched. And we got these for free as we were planting down some construction lumber to make our shelves in our house. These bags I got from Amazon, they're working great. I do have to fill them up every day, but they drip water onto the tree all day long, and that keeps it growing nice and strong. Next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to put some wood or some string and tie it to the trunk of the tree and then to my T-posts. So I got cable ties and some rope here. The cable ties are for the fencing. The rope is to tie the tree. Now this is just some nice cordage. And got a nice pair of scissors here. Just gonna tie it around the tree, kind of loose, and then tie it so that it's straight up and down. and will hold the tree really nice and tight. And then it should grow nice and straight. I'm going to do on all 4 sides and at different points of the tree. You don't want to do it too high though. And it's really gentle. I'm not pulling it really hard. Okay. Now I'm going to take my plastic fencing kind of measure it. I don't know if I'm going to have enough for all 4 trees, or 5 trees, but I can get more. There we go. And then I'm just going to tie this to my T-posts with the cable ties. Easy peasy, lemon squeezy, as they like to say. One on top, one on bottom. And pull that nice and taut. Also, reason why I'm doing it with cable ties is this may not need to be here forever. The plastic isn't going to last forever because of the heat here in Tennessee and the sun. It's going to break down this plastic, unfortunately, so it's not going to last forever. Okay. leave all of this stuff in a link below if you want to order any of this stuff off of Amazon. I think I am going to have Chris help me do the rest of them, or we can just come along with the tractor on Mabel, or the bucket on Mabel, and just push these into the ground. So that's a lot of hard work. And it's a little too hot for it. Oh, these ties are UV protected. Okay. There we go, guys. Now on to the rest. I'll spare you that, but this is how I'm going to do all my fruit trees as well. I'll try to make sure that I have it a little more in the middle. I'll leave a link for all of this stuff below if you want to order it off of Amazon. I really like this string. It's really soft. It's a paracord, and I really think it's going to work really well because it's strong but tough and it's not going to dig into the tree. So I really like that. So we'll see you next time here on Hedgehog's Homestead, and God bless. Bye.